Hello guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija here and welcome to Python for Beginners. And today we're gonna discuss about installation of Python 3. As I have already told you that we have changed from Python 2 to Python 3. So today I'm gonna tell you how to install Python 3 in your device. And installation of text editor of my choice is Atom, but you can install if any other preferences if you have. So let's get started. Hello guys, and today we're gonna see how to install Python software in your device. So to install it, go to the Google and type Python, and then you'll be seeing a starting link called welcome to python.org. Go into it, and then you will see this website to getting opened. So this is the latest one, Python 3 version. So just click on it. So this will be opened. Now go down. You will see some files and versions. So depending upon your operating system, you can just click on these to download, and then Python software will be on your device. And one more thing that I want to tell you is downloading a text editor. I personally suggest you Atom text editor, but if you are interested in anything, you can just go into it. Atom.io. Yes, here you got it. Atom.io text editor. It is one of the good text editors, so you can just download it for Windows, and you can change if your operating system is other. I hope you liked this video and found this useful. Thank you for watching.